musukungenza isilimu.
Ngibiza nge-best man. Musungibiza nge-best man. Musungibiza nge-best man.
Hello guys, hello good people. I mean, like, where are you? Where are you guys? Nigupi, because in the hour things are happening and yo, we can't believe it. Like, yeah, we're very shocked. Oh, it's happening for Tirelo, guys. Oh my word, it's just so. It's really bad, guys. Basically, Mpumelelo has gone and paid LOBOLA for the girlfriend, and it's just so funny, guys. Like, not per se that we're laughing at Tirelo, but you know what I mean. Like the universe has a way of putting things out, and honestly, it's just been. Tirelo is really going through a lot. Firstly, throughout the whole season of Izingane is the same. But always Tirelo complaining that Mpumelelo doesn't buy her flowers, doesn't buy her gift, he doesn't give her money. And he's not doing any of those things that, performs the relationship. And boom, now Mpumelelo, the same Mpumelelo, has money to go and pay LOBOLA for another girlfriend. Wow. And uyasho Mpumelelo uthi Utirelo has been my social kind of lab kind of thing, my day one baby, but not Ukuthi rabbit my wife is here. So that basically means Ukuthi if Mpumelelo wanted also to marry Uvulolazi, he would have that, which then takes us to always knowing and saying that if he wanted to, he would have. If he wanted to, he would have. Like, it is just so basic maths, honestly. It's not a rocket science. Like, you can be all, go all the way out for a man, be this wonderful woman for a man. If you're doing it to a wrong man, because I'm not saying all men are like that, so you know what, don't get me wrong. But if you're doing it to a wrong man who's not right for you, still, man, it's all does not count. And Mpumelelo uthi akanayo imali, or he's not going to spend money for umntwana kaTirelo to go to a crash level. And Tirelo is saying the child is a bit grown now, so he needs to start attending the crash and start socializing with other kids and just get to the outside environment, how it's like. Mpumelelo is saying, I'm not going to pay 30,000 for somebody who's going to go in there, sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up. But guess what? Mpumelelo akacabangi twice or thrice masemele ashad. Mpumelelo. Okay, question is, let's come back. Now, this is what happened also. Now, when a man is no longer into you like that, you start being so like by yourself. Everything you do is just extra. Everything you do is just so much extra. So just like what is happening here, Utirelo at the moment, honestly, is like allergy to Mpumelelo because everything she does is just extra. Now she's being called a lion. It's like a karma kind of thing. Like I remember when Mpumelelo would just like bond and the you guys would look so sad, the whole world would feel so sad for you guys. Now it's like it's your turn, girl. It's your turn, girl, to see what's awesome. If you guys has been going or was going through, but you guys loved herself enough to walk away from this kind of relationship, because at some point, guys, you gotta love yourself enough to is also taking bad tablets. I feel like this woman has honestly persevered so much. Maybe half of her felt like, I've been shifted to this person, so now I'm going to try and hold it up together. It was an umbrella. People, I don't want people to laugh at me or make me laugh at myself, especially how I behaved. Like, maybe she felt that way. Or maybe she was just like, you know what, I'm in it with this guy. I'm really in it with this guy. So, Uti, I have been taking PrEP tablets to avoid getting sick because brothers doesn't like it. So, she's actually has accepted, we'll say, it goes around everywhere. And she's saying, for me, to prevent getting sick from this, because we know, right, Mzansi would say HIV is one of the things that is just like, yeah, it's there, it's really, really there. So in these times of also doing this polygamous thing and stuff like that, you gotta be extra careful. That's the fact. So Utirelo is saying that. So these are the things that are really, really, really a highlight for me. Utirelo is saying, I'm taking PrEP tablets. Utirelo is saying, well, Mpumelelo, I mean, is saying, Tirelo's child, Mele, a crash. Tirelo has been there, has a child with this person, and the boom, 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 all of a sudden, Mpumelelo is able to marry another woman or another girl, and it's like, wow. What a flashback. And she couldn't hold herself. She just cried. She cried. Oh my word. But do we blame her, honestly? Do we blame her? Woo. It's like the growth is just, or the relationship is just showing her different side. Like it's showing her flames and flames and flames and flames. Guys, just let me know what you think, because yeah, right. Yeah, starting from a bad side, and then you and oh yeah, anyway, it never works, it never works. Oh dear. I At this point I'm hoping, obviously, Brella's gonna love herself enough, to probably walk away. While some might say she still needs to stay and just persevere with this about the woman that's been perceived in the world. Because just let me know what you guys say. If she's suffering for actions, because what always goes always comes around. Or well, what's really happening? Are we blaming Utirelo for all of this? Are we blaming Mpumelelo, or are we blaming both of them? What's going on here? Is Vuyoga's prayers, or mother's prayers, or grandmother's prayers, answering here? Okay, goodies and homies, thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Bye bye.